Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best gaming tablets. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the tablets in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best tablets for gaming on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Microsoft Surface Pro. Whereas most gaming tablets will only offer iOS or Android gaming on the go, the Microsoft Surface Pro can actually let you play your Steam games. Yes, it's true. While you won't be playing anything on max settings, middling graphic options can see you running games at a slick 50 frames per second, including games like Minecraft or Portal 2, and a perfectly decent 30 frames per second for games such as XCOM, Enemy Unknown, and Civilian 5. Because the Surface Pro is also compatible with the signature type attachment, giving you a keyboard and touchpad that essentially turns this tablet into a laptop. If you want a Windows device with a big, beautiful screen, a full keyboard, and all the flexibility of a tablet, then the Windows Surface Pro is an excellent choice. It won't compete with a gaming rig, but when it looks this good and weighs so little, comparatively speaking, you won't regret it. Coming in at number 5, Apple iPad 10.2. If you can't afford or have no need for the extra horsepower of the iPad Pro, the iPad 10.2 is a fantastic mid-range iPad that can play mostly any game you want. It's got plenty of screen to move around on, with a completely respectable resolution of 1620 by 2160 pixels for enticing visuals. It runs on an A10 Vision chip, 3GB of RAM, and 32GB of storage. The rear camera is 8 megapixels, while the front-facing camera is 1.2 megapixels. It's compatible with the Apple Pencil for sketching and doodling as well. Coming at number 4, Fire HD 10 Kids Edition. Easily the most underpowered tablets on our list, the Fire 10 HD 10 Kids Edition is also by far the most affordable. Your teen isn't going to be firing up Fortnite on this, but it is still well worth recommending for younger kids up to 9 years old. The beauty of the Fire HD 8 Kids Edition is in the curated, age-appropriate content and the excellent parental controls. If you want a device that you can set up and forget without the worry that your Wii one is playing too long or accessing anything unsuitable, then this is a perfect buy. Amazon does lock you into a similar subset of games and apps than you'd be able to access with the full Android tablet. But our kids love the constantly updated menu of casual games, and the screen and battery life are decent. It comes with a bumper case and a generous warranty. Number 3. Apple iPad Mini 5. Apple's iPad Mini is an optimal option if you want something truly portable. The 7.9-inch display lacks the smoothness of the Pro and the shine of Samsung's AMOLED, but it's still sharp and bright. The performance is excellent, so running the latest games smoothly is not going to be a problem. You can also have some augmented reality fun with little things like Angry Birds AR, Isle of Pigs, and there's support for the Apple Pencil if you like the idea of sketching. Battery life is less than stellar, especially if you're playing a lot. And the price is typical Apple, on the higher side, but there's no strong competition at this size. Coming at number 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. The Galaxy Tab S6 from Samsung boasts a lightning-fast Snapdragon 855 processor backed by 6GB or 8GB of RAM. There's a stunning 10.5-inch Super AMOLED screen that you'll never tire of looking at. It has quad speakers, good battery life, and a stylish design. Samsung's special Game Booster promises a lag-free gaming experience and a partnership with Discord brings live chat features to the game launcher. You'll also find a dual-lens main camera, combining a 13-megapixel lens with a 5-megapixel wide-angle lens. And there's a decent 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The Tab S6 and S Pen support too, which is great if you like to write notes by hand or sketch, but also doubles as a remote control. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro, 11 inches. Two things that set the iPad Pro above the crowd when it comes to gaming are the enormous, sharp, and smooth 120Hz display and the completely unrivaled raw processing power. We've highlighted the 11-inch model as the best pick because it's a little more affordable and manageable. But if you want to get lost in something like Civilization, then the 12.9-inch model is even better. Pairing this tablet with some of the best iPad Pro games will be enough to keep the most demanding of gamers happy. Apple's tablets stand apart from the Android crowd because of the level of polish and the optimization of many apps. And nowhere is this difference starker than with its games. This is also a great-looking tablet for convenient Face ID built in and a host of fun augmented reality apps and games. Battery life is good enough to keep you gaming on the go for hours. The obvious downside is the high cost. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best gaming tablets. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.